Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to continue our mini golf game project. Before going to video, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please click the subscribe button and enable the bell icon. Then you will be notified when new content uploaded. So let's start. First, let's enable the button when the player finishes the level 1. So enable the button inside the clock timer event. Now let's change the level when the button clicks. So add a when button 2 clicks event. Before continuing coding this, we want to add some edge to our game. So add 2 sprites. And rename the sprites to edge right and edge bottom. Let's give some properties to our edge. Add an image to our image sprite. I am using the same image that we used to in our obstacles. Okay, continue the same process to the edge bottom. Set the width and height of the edges according to your screen. Upload the image. Okay, let's feed some code. I think this is okay. Let's change this width. Let's check the interface. Okay, now let's add the collision. Let's duplicate this block and give it some changes. Change the object to edge right and set the golf ball heading to 0 minus golf ball heading. Let's duplicate this one more and set the object to edge bottom. Let's rearrange the objects for level 2. Note down the x and y values and set it in the code section. Let's assign the new golf ball values. When button to click, set the x and y of the objects to the level to x and y values of the objects. Okay, now let's check. Okay, the canvas is not visible when the next button clicks, so let's fix that. Also, let's change the color of the next button. Let's duplicate this if statement and set the value to 2 to check whether the level is 2. If true, let's set the visible of the canvas to false. And let's notify the levels are over. Let's check. There is some bug related to the edge, also the position of the water. Okay, that's it. Let's fix these bugs in the next video.